Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you the tour of the new office / workshop. I have been at it since 7 in the morning. It's around 8, so it's been over 12 hours, and it's been a very efficient and beautiful day. So let's get going. Alright, so as you can see here, let's just take one quick round look, and then I'll show you what I've done here. And it's just beautiful, really. Everything just fit beautiful. Just amazing. I can't thank you guys enough. This is like a dream come true right now. So let's go ahead and talk about the tour. So this thing here is obviously not everything is still set up. I'm glad I got to this point today in one day, so it's very good. This here is just for my Arduino modules and stuff, and you know, all kinds of crazy stuff in here. There we got some parts and you know, ESCs and all that kind of stuff. I'll be giving a lot of those away because they're just sitting there. So just stay on the channel and I'll be doing a lot more giveaways. And here, these used to be on shelves, and now what I've done is I've set them up here until I figure out how to organize myself, really. I'm going to see how it goes out here. As you can see, the waveform generator, my power bench, solder station, oscilloscope, and I put that there because I have the luxury of space now, and it just feels good. It feels like I can breathe now. It's going to be, you know, the whole atmosphere, the whole mood of this place is just going to enable me to do a lot more. And I really can't wait to get started. So tomorrow the internet's actually going to be installed. And here's my PC. There's my Coke. And not cocaine, but you know, Coca-Cola. And this table, I don't know what I'm going to use it for. Probably tinkering before I think, or just start playing with something. See if I come up with something before making a video on it. So it's going to be pretty easy access right here. So I could quickly program the Arduino or Raspberry through the PC right there, since it's right there. And here is just the shelves that I had in the house. I moved them here and I'm repurposing them. This stuff is the stuff that needs to be reviewed and given away. So as you can see, here's the iFlight Strider. It's going to be I'm going to be announcing the giveaway winner tomorrow for the iFlight Strider on my Patreon, as well as the awesome, where is it? It's right here. This is the awesome 100 micro. And possibly next month we might give away the Diatone, the new one. So, and maybe the Jeb RC Sparrow. So that's going to be pretty interesting. So make sure you stay tuned. Also, I have the F4 Magnum finally in for review. So we'll be doing that also. I'll have enough time to do all this stuff. And yeah, it's going very good. I really can't thank you guys enough. This has just been beautiful. You know, really thank you guys so much for everything, for your support, your comments, your subscriptions, the Patreons. Thank you. If it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be here today. I'd still be, you know, trying to squeeze as much time as I can and just, you know, pick the right moments to run my motors. Now I'm going to be able to run crazy motor testing, even the noise testing on motors, which everyone's been waiting for, and to prove to you which motors are noisy and how are they noisy, because I've done this, but I've really never made a video. I've done it for myself, but now I'm able to actually summarize it and put in the data and make just nice little documentation, you know, Excel sheets, graphs for everything. So it's going to be pretty awesome, really. I can't even wait for the data. I'm very excited myself. I can't wait to come here in the morning, early in the morning tomorrow, start working on something, and then as I'm working, I'm pretty sure the internet will be installed very quickly, and I can start uploading, and it's going to be pretty interesting. So I can't thank you guys enough, really. Thank you for everything. I'll try to do as many giveaways as I can. I do have a bunch of micros there. I'm going to give those away. I don't need this stuff. I have a bunch of quads. We give away and sell some to kind of support this channel. And really, guys, thank you for everything. And you guys have just been the best. And I hope I just keep creating good content for you guys, or interesting content, or useful content. That's what I'm going for, to avoid you from making a bad decision. That's the goal, that's the aim, and that's what I want to achieve with this. And, well, that's it, guys. So I really wanted to thank you again. And if you're not a Patreon, if you would like to help the channel, this is where the money's going. I will show you guys everything that's going on, what I'm purchasing with it. I'm not putting it out of my pocket. I'm just investing everything back into the channel, just to, you know, maybe someday it'll go big and I don't have to rely, I could just rely off the YouTube ad revenue. But at the current moment of time, I'm a small fish YouTuber. And if it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be here today. So consider joining my Patreon, joining the mission. Let's go ahead and document all the information, all the hidden data about the components we're using, what's crap, what's good, what's awesome, and all that kind of good stuff. So consider joining Patreon. If you can't, I do have affiliates links. If you would like to use them, you know, just click the link, and then if you make a purchase after you click the link, it could be anything. I can get a couple cents, like 8 cents, 6 cents, and it all adds up at the end. Maybe I can make like 50 bucks, 100 bucks, and I can get stuff like this. So for example, this is because of you guys. I'm able to get this Furious FPV VTX. So I'll be testing it. It's Bluetooth compatible, so this is going to be pretty cool and pretty interesting. I'll show you guys how to set that up. And we'll hit it with some noise with the waveform generator. I'll have enough time to do all kinds of crazy stuff with this. So I just really can't wait. You know, the possibilities are endless, really, because of you guys, really. And I just thank you again, you know. It's just been an awesome ride. And that's it, guys. So consider joining the mission, helping me. It goes a long way. And I promise you, everything gets invested back into the channel. And I'll update you guys. This will be our project. This is not for me. This is for us. I just love this stuff. I'm very passionate about stuff, you could say. And yeah, that's it, guys. So I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Here's my update. I will keep updating you on every progress I make and everything I do to this place and everything I get. I'm currently waiting on the 3-axis gimbal for the quad, which actually basically just I can strap a quad with battery and just fly it, and it'll move in 3 axes, but it'll stay stationary. And I'll take all kinds of measurements on different components and do all kinds of crazy tests on components, from noise to capacitors to just awesome things. So yeah, I'm kind of out of breath right now. And well, that's it, guys. Thank you so much. And I hope I won't disappoint you guys. And you guys have just been the best. So that's it. See you guys. Take care.